Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. First of all, I want to say it's such a honor for you to be the presenter in this international journal that organized the Borobudur International Symposium 2024. Before we start the presentation, I want to introduce about the authors here. The first author is Veronica Dulestari, and then the second is Rayinda Faiza, MPSI Psikolog. We are from Muhammadiyah University of Magelang. Our research consists of 5 chapters. The first introduction, second is methodology, the third is result, fourth is discussion, the last is conclusion. So I would like to present about our research with the title The Dynamic of Forgiveness in Female Victim of Domestic Violence Will Remain in Marriage. The introduction, a harmonious and happy marriage is every couple dream, but a reality not all married meet this expectation. One of the main traits of the marital harmony of domestic violence, which include physical, psychological, sexual violence, and neglect. This act can destroy trust, a sense of security, and happiness within the relationship. That from the Indonesia Ministry of Women Empowerment and Child Protection in 2024, report 9,503 cases of domestic violence out of a total 15,490 violence cases against women and children. Domestic violence severely impacts victim physical and psychological deep trauma, loss of confidence, and financial dependence on the primary reason victim choose to remain abusive relationship. Additionally, social, cultural, and religious pressure impinging family unity further reinforce victim decision to stay even and the cause of enduring suffering. In this context, forgiveness emerged as a mechanism victim used to cope with their situation. Forgiveness not only reduce conflict but also help victim manage negative emotion such anger and resentment. However, then this process is challenging and does not necessarily guarantee relationship improvement. These phenomena warrant further exploration, particularly the dynamic of forgiveness in domestic violence victims who choose to stay in their marriage. Given that previous studies predominantly focus and devote this victim. This study aimed to provide a deeper understanding of the psychological condition of domestic violence victim and serve as reference for designing effective psychological intervention program. Methodology, research design. These are qualitative research analyze and interpret interview data to uncover to meaning a phenomena. Sugiono 2016. This descriptive qualitative approach was used to explore the dynamic of forgiveness among female domestic violence victims who remain in marriage. Three participants we selected using purposive sampling, meeting the criteria of being female domestic violence victim, experiencing abuse for over 2 years, living there with their husband in Magelang Regency, and willing to participate. informed consent, ensure confidently and voluntary participation. Data collection, that will collect the truth in deep, semi-structured interview, open-ended question based on MCQualness 2000, forgiveness theory, explore change in avoidance, referring and benevolence motivation. And staying of heart, health, healing, and inner peace. Influence factor such as empathy, attribution, grief, personality, and relationship quality were also examined. That the analysis followed Mel and Hubner's 2992 debt collection, reduction, display, and conclusion drawing to uncover meaningful insight. The result, the study focus on three participants, client of the NGO Sahabat Perempuan who experience various form of domestic violence, including physical violence, psychological violence, and domestic neglect. The participants are identified as KA, 54 years old, married for 31 years, and 4 children. S, 38 years old, married for 18 years, and 2 children. And AF, 32 years old, married for 10 years, and 3 children. The form domestic violence experience include physical violence such as hitting, kicking, and slapping. Psychological violence include verbal abuse, injury, and manipulation. And three, domestic neglect such as lack the financial support, being forbidden to work, and infidelity by husband. the the dynamic of forgiveness of three participants. Number one, avoidance motivation. Many victims avoid confirmation of separation due to fear, financial dependence, or desire to protect their children. Participants like KA often choose to remain in the home environment, hoping for change and avoiding to perceived instability of separation. Number two, revenge motivation. Some victim experience a desire for relationship retribution, stemming from the hurt and injured they feel. Participants like S express a desire to resist the husband action, sometimes even considering relationship through similar action. Number three, benevolent motivation, a shift toward prosocial motivation, where the victim chose to be kind, safe, and care their partners despite the pain. Participant like AF, despite experience violence, continue to prepare food for their husband and fulfilling domestic duty. Sting of forgiveness. Number one, hurt. The initial stage where victim experience pain, the emotional distress to the husband action. This sting is characterized by sense of betrayal, fear, and emotional anguish. Number two, hurt. While some victim may feel anger and resentment, some choose to harbor hatred. Participants like KA express like resentment toward their husband and deserve the focus of future. Number three, victim invert to proses trauma. Number three, healing. Victim invert heal the proses trauma. Number four, come together. The final state with victim needed to stay married despite the challenge. Factor influence forgiveness and empathy, attribution, grief, and personality characteristic. Reason for giving and staying. Number one, forgiveness. Believe good forgiveness, hope for change, and desire to provide spiritual support for their husband. Number two, staying concerned for children well-being, for a broken home and culture value that embracing family unity. Number three, additional factor, pit, pit for the husband potential future, long-term affection, and external support from family and friend. Type of forgiveness, number one, hollow forgiveness, two, silent forgiveness, and three, total forgiveness. Conclusion, the study concludes the victim of domestic violence experience, physical, psychological, and neglectful abuse both remain in married due to children, hope for change, and religious value promoting forgiveness. Forgiveness involves a shift for avoiding and referring to kindness, influenced by empathy, attribution, and victim characters. Three, forgiveness, type of hollow, silent, and total wear identify. With victim persisting in merit. Recommendation include deeper intervention and study on husband perception to break the cycle of violence. The small sample size limit generality on scoring to need for broader research. That conclude my presentation. I apologize for any shortening, and if there are any question, feel free to ask through the comment section. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.